Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Adobe After Effects on both PC and Mac for free. Just click the link below this video's description to get started and follow along with me. First, use the link I've provided to go to Adobe's official website. It'll take you straight to the After Effects free trial page. Before you begin, double check that your system meets the requirements for running After Effects, especially since it's a powerful program. When you get to the trial options, choose the individual one. Pro tip, on the same page, check the box to try Adobe Stock. You'll get another 7-day free trial plus 10 free premium assets, photos, templates, videos, and more. Best part? Even if you cancel before the trial ends, you keep the 10 assets. That's a win either way. Sign up and grab your freebies. Next, you'll be asked to sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, no worries, it only takes a minute. You'll also need to enter a payment method, but don't stress. You won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. I always recommend setting a reminder to avoid any surprises. Once your trial is set up, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud app. This is where you'll install After Effects. Open the app, find After Effects in the list, click Install, and let it do its thing. It might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, and that's it. Once the installation is complete, you're all set to explore the fantastic world of motion graphics and visual effects using After Effects, completely free for the next 7 days. So click the link in the description to start your free trial and follow these easy steps. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like it, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. I'm here to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.